Good morning students. In today's class, I will going to explain about the different features of Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization is one of the ancient civilization of the world. History of India begins with the birth of Indus Valley civilization. When we discussing about Indus Valley civilization, we find or we observe some of the salient features of this civilization. Different archaeologists discovered many unique features in this civilization. So here we have some of the unique features of this civilization. They are, first one, town planning ಅಥವಾ ನಗರ ಯೋಜನೆ. Town planning is the unique feature of this civilization. Their town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. The art of building cities, streets, houses, bricks, underground drainage system, public baths, granaries, ports, auditorium, dustbins, street lights have mesmerized the archaeologists and scholars. When these archaeologists conducted their surveys in the sites of Indus Valley civilization, they observed all these unique features, or they discovered various things which were related to this civilization, and all these observations and discoveries mesmerized these scholars. Indus people were the first to build planned cities with scientific drainage system. People of Indus region, they built planned cities with scientific drainage system. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಧೂ ನದಿ ಬಯಲಿನ ಜನರು, ಆ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಜನರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಗರ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಗರ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Town planning was amazing in nature. When we discussing about the town planning of this Harappan civilization, we find various features again, various features in this town planning. They are ports, ಕೋಟೆಗಳು, ports. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Dhalavira were similar in fortification. At Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Dhalavira, etc., these archaeologists discovered a number of forts or fortification works, and these fortification works were conducted mainly for the purpose of defense. Then roads. Wide and long roads are the most important feature of Indus Valley civilization. The main road of Mohenjo-daro is 31 feet wide. Mohenjo-daro is one of the important city of this civilization, and the main road of that city is 31 feet wide. The main road was laid by the broken pieces of bricks and pieces of pot. Means here for the construction of roads they used broken pieces of bricks and also pieces of pots. The streets were straight and cut each other at right angles. Streets were 13 to 34 feet wide and were well lined. Means here they constructed wide roads. All houses are facing to the road. Street lights were discovered in the highest number. Archaeologists discovered a large number of street lights. Every road had a public well. Dustbins were also provided on the streets. This shows the sense of cleanliness of the civilized people or Indus Valley people. All these prove the presence of good municipal administration. Means all these features of these roadways and streets proves that there existed good municipal administration. Then drainage system. Indus Valley people gave much importance for cleanliness, so they maintained systematic drainage system. Drainage system is the unique feature of Indus Valley civilization, Charandi Vyavasthe. Unclean water was released outside the town through underground canal. Each house had its own drainage and soak pit which was connected to the public drainage. ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಯ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅದು ಮೇನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚರಂಡಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸೋಪ್ ಪಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇತ್ತು. Drains started from the bathrooms of the houses and joined the main drainage in the street. Underground drainage was 9 to 12 inches in diameter. Manholes were created at many points to clean them. They also created these manholes for the purpose of cleaning the drainage. In Kalibangan, public wells were discovered on every road. This is one of the site of this civilization, that is Kalibangan. At Kalibangan, these public wells were discovered on every road. This kind of drainage system was unique to Indus Valley civilization. When we discussing about the different civilizations of the world, we never find such features which were discovered in this civilization. So here all these features are unique to this civilization. There must have been a perfect system of administration to look after it. No other civilization of Bronze Age, no other civilization or the contemporary civilizations of this Indus Valley civilization gave so much importance to health and hygiene as much Indus Valley civilization gave. No other means we have other civilizations of the means here contemporary civilizations of Indus Valley civilization. They are Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Chinese, etc. These civilizations not given so much attention to cleanliness. This is about drainage system. Then we have another feature of the civilization, that is houses and buildings, construction of buildings and houses. Indus Valley people were experts in house building, and this is also discovered through archaeological excavations. Means a large number of small and big houses were discovered in different sites of the Harappan civilization. And they used baked bricks or burnt bricks for the construction of houses and buildings. Baked or burnt bricks, ಸುಟ್ಟ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. The houses were built on both the sides of road. Every house was built in equal distance with other house. The size of houses varies. Some houses were 3-storied, then some houses were single-storied. Single room house, houses with the courtyard, then houses with 12 rooms were discovered in different sites of the civilization. Every house had a backyard, a courtyard, and a place for worship. These are some of the similar features in small and big houses. Single room houses are also discovered in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, means small houses or houses of the poor. Here the most decorated houses are discovered in Kalibangan. Decorated houses or beautiful houses were discovered in Kalibangan. Another notable feature of the houses was that they did not have any windows. Their houses did not have any windows. The kitchen was very small and firewood was kept on high pedestal. ಹೈ ಪೆಡೆಸ್ಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಒಲೆ ಉರಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಮ ಇತ್ತು. Bread making ovens were also discovered in various sites. Besides residential quarters or buildings, elaborate structures have also been found. The workmen quarters are also discovered. There was an excellent system of water supply. They also built a dockyard at Lothal. A dockyard at Lothal was also discovered. These are other buildings. Then we have another unique or one of the greatest feature of this civilization is the Great Bath. The Great Bath ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ನಾನ ಕೊಳ. The most striking feature in Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. This is the most beautiful construction of Indus Valley civilization. When we discussing about Indus Valley civilization or features of this civilization, we find this the Great Bath is one of the greatest construction or greatest architectural experiment of these people. This is the most beautiful construction and it is situated in the middle of a field. Here the bath is situated at the center. The field ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗದ್ದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇನಿದೆ ಈಜುಕೊಳ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ನಾನದ ಕೊಳ ಇದೆ. The bath is a great swimming pool with galleries and rooms on all four sides. There were arrangements for hot water bath in some rooms. It is 12 into 7 meter in area. The diameter, that is 12 into 7 meter in area and 2.43 meter deep. The bath had steps on two sides. Water was supplied to the bath from a nearby well. A well was also discovered near to this great bath. Then here the unclean water was released to the drainage. A proper drainage system was also constructed when this great bath was executed. The floor was built by using burnt bricks. They used burnt bricks for the construction of the floor. The bath must have been used by the Harappans during religious festivities because it is a great bath. The bath is intact even after 5,000 years, proving the mastery of construction. That bath is still existed after 5,000 years and this proves the mastery in construction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮಣ್ಣಿನೊಳಗೆ ಹುದಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದು ಇದೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅವರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. Then after the Great Bath, we have another great building which was built or constructed by the Harappans was granaries. Granaries were discovered in Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Kalibangan. Granaries were used to store the grains. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನೀಗ ಗೋಡನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹೌಸ್. The important building of Harappans was a great granary. This one of the great granary was discovered at Harappa, and this is considered as one of the greatest building which was built by the Harappans. And that building was built for the purpose to store these grains. The area of this great granary is 16 into 13 feet. In the southern part of Kalibangan, brick platforms have also been found. These granaries safely stored the grains. In the cracks of granaries, wheat, barley and corn are found, making historians understand that granaries were used to store the grains. Means in some areas or in some sites in these granaries, some grains were also discovered, and this proves that these granaries or such type of buildings were used to store the grains. So this is all about the special features or some of the unique features of Harappan civilization. Thank you, students.